If you are not living under the rock, then the popularity of Shiba Inu coin is something that you can't simply ignore. In this video, I'm going to talk about how much money I invested in Shiba Inu coin, and I'm also going to talk about, according to numbers, according to calculations, according to data, what is the possibility for Shiba Inu to reach to $1? Because at the moment, the value of Shiba Inu is a lot less than a penny as well. So if you invest even a couple of $100 into Shiba Inu, that can give you a life-changing return if the Shiba Inu coin will reach to $1 in his value as well. So let's talk about that. So first of all, Shiba Inu, it's a Ethereum based currency, and according to them, they claim this is a Dogecoin killer. This is a real coin. Dogecoin just was a meme. This is the real thing. That's, according to them, that's what they claim. But recently, all of a sudden, Elon Musk on his Twitter, just like as usual, he posted the picture of his dog, which happens to be a Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is actually a breed of dog as well. He posted the picture of this dog, and the value of Shiba Inu coin just went up all of the sudden, and all the people are obviously talking about it as well. In order for us to understand if this coin is something that we need to invest in and will it reach to the $1, as I said, the coin value at the moment is a lot less than 1 penny as well. So even if you invest like a couple of $100 right now, over the period of time, this can give you a life-changing returns. But we are not going into this one, and I'm not investing into this one because of its popularity or because Elon Musk tweeted it. We need to see the numbers at the end of the day. So at the moment, we need to understand how many Shiba Inu coins are in a circulation and what is the market cap. I'm going to explain each and everything in a simple way. You will understand what I am trying to say. At the moment, there are around 4 trillion Shiba Inu coins in a circulation, and the market cap of Shiba Inu is here. But what we need to understand, in order for Shiba Inu to reach to a $1 in its value, there are 2 ways to do it. First of all, either the market cap will increase, or either you take the coins out of circulation. I'm going to explain both of them in a simple way. So if we need to increase the market cap for the Shiba Inu coin, what's going to happen is, if the Shiba Inu will reach to the $1 in its value in that way, then Shiba Inu will actually become a lot bigger company than Amazon as well, which is obviously not going to happen. Then the second possibility, if the Shiba Inu coins will reach to a $1 in its value, we need to take Shiba Inu coins out of circulations. So the way we take out of circulations any cryptocurrency coin, we send these coins to a black hole wallet. Like, you just kind of burn all those coins as well. But with that many coins in circulations, in order for us to actually reach the value to the $1, you will have to burn almost 99% of the Shiba Inu coins at the moment, which are not going to happen. So I don't really see a possibility when the people say, okay, well, if the Dogecoin can reach to 1%, then the Shiba Inu can as well. Then I don't really think that is going to happen. But obviously, I invested my money in it, and I'm going to tell you pros and cons of it. By no means this is obviously a financial advice, or I'm not like a cryptocurrency expert or stock expert by any way, shape, or form. I'm just trying to share what I done and my own opinion about it as well. So take it as like entertainment purpose. This is no way, shape, or form a financial advice. With the Shiba Inu coin, the pros, of course, this is a currency that obviously looks like it's here to stay, and there is a very strong community behind this currency as well. If you just look at their Twitter following, that crossed over 1 million as well. And the people who are invested in Shiba Inu, they strongly believe in this coin. So by looking at this cryptocurrency gonna stay for longer period of time. And then on the top of that, if we talk about the coins, we have seen many coins coming into this market over the period of time. All of the sudden, the people are very interested in this one, and then the interest will go down over the period of time, and then the new coin will come into the market, and then the interest will shift over there. where the value of the previous coin will just go all the way down as well. This is something that we really need to bear in mind at the same time if we are going to invest our money inside. And then obviously the adaptability, the way these exchange, for example, Coinbase, you can buy the Shiba Inu coin on the Coinbase as well. I bought it through Coinbase, so I'm gonna leave the link for them inside the description as well. If you use that link, you're gonna get some bonus at the same time as well. So a lot of these main exchange and a lot of this mainstream media is actually adopting, and they are talking about it because of the people demand at the same time. So these are obviously the good thing, but at the end of the day, you will have to do your own research. When it comes to me investing into this coin, I invested £2,000 into the Shiba Inu coin. I live in UK, so I invested £2,000. This is something you have to see. I am investing this money. I'm not afraid of losing it. It's just like a gamble to me, to be honest with you. Even if I lose all that money, I wouldn't really mind. But if you are going to put any money inside this coin, and that is always the case for any cryptocurrency out there or any stock out there, you will have to be really careful. Like, invest the money that you don't absolutely need, and or invest the money that you can afford to lose at the same